Hello everyone. Today I'm making this super cute little Debbie Christmas cake. I'll show you the creamy filling step by step, and the sponge cake recipe will be in a separate detailed video. So let's get started. So for the filling, we're going for something light, fluffy and not too sweet, just like the original. In a bowl, I start with 1 cup of cold heavy cream and 1 cup of chantilly cream. I also added 1 teaspoon of vanilla for that classic cozy flavor. Now I wipe everything together until I get a smooth, creamy and stable texture. Make sure you don't overwipe, we want it fluffy and silky, not stiff. This filling is perfect for layering and filling the cake evenly. Once the sponge cake is completely cooled, I trim the top to get an even surface. I cut the cake into small rectangle shapes, just like the classic Little Debbie cakes. I also add some fine sugar at the bottom of the cake. And here I place 1 cake layer, then add a generous layer of the cream filling. I spread it evenly, making sure the edges are nice and clean. Then I top it with another cake layer and gently press it down. After that, I let the cake chill for about 15 to 20 minutes until the cream sets. And after chilling, I cover the cake with white chocolate or vanilla coating for that signature look. While it's still soft, I drizzle red icing on top to create the Christmas tree pattern. I keep the lines simple and slightly imperfect. That's what makes it look authentic. And finally, I decorate it with festive sprinkles to make it look just like the original. I let the coating set completely before serving, and just like that, our little Debbie Christmas cake is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends, and see you in another video.